Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have my November club kit from Scrapbooking with Me. If you remember, I am a designer on the design team for Scrapbooking with Me, and let me just say I love this kit. It is awesome. So let's go through this kit. I'm so excited. I'm already planning things in my head of what we're going to do with it. So first of all, we have this little jelly roll pen, and I'm thinking that it's in like Stardust, which is kind of a silver color. Let's see. We're going to test it out here. Yes. I know you cannot see that, but it is beautiful. I love that. Because you know I love things sparkly. Also in our kit this time, we get some 3D foam tape. And it's a double-sided piece of foam tape for crafting. And then we have some little cut-aparts and ribbons. So let's go through these. So a little bit of bling here. And then this beautiful, very thick, and it's on probably 110-pound cardstock, little Christmas tree. And this beautiful champagne colored ribbon. You guys probably already know what I'm thinking of, but then we get some cut-aparts of joy, Merry Christmas. This is a beautiful paper line, by the way. Season's greetings, very farmhouse. A little boot. All I want for Christmas is you. December 25th. So these are beautiful. So we get a bunch of these. Little coffee mug. And then inside this little bag, I don't really want to open it, but it's silver bells, I'm pretty sure. Let's see if I can get it open without ripping it up. Because you guys know I love to save my little glossine bags. Yep, that's what they are. Little silver bells. How cute are those? So definitely use those. Then, for our paper collection this time, we are working with the 6x6 Farmhouse Christmas. I love this. This is so pretty. So let's take a peek inside of it. If you haven't seen it, this is by Echo Park. Is it Echo Park? No, Cartabella. I'm sorry. Cartabella. So look at this beautiful paper. Oh, here's a star too that came with that. Beautiful. Beautiful cut-aparts. Smaller versions of the larger ones we got. Oh, look at these little mini tags. How cute are those? Y'all, my mind is running. Very pretty. So this is very pretty paper pad. Love this. Love this page. Oh, I love the Christmas trees and the buckets. And this page. And look at the little Christmas boxes with the flowers in them. How beautiful. And then the back side of the page has holly. And then I think it starts over again. So we get those papers. And also we got 3 sheets of very, very stiff cardstock, craft cardstock with you know what I'm trying to say, this stuff. This is really cool, and I think this, yeah. You know, I'm telling you, I got ideas. If you've not checked out Scrapbooking with Me, you really should. And then we get the decorative brads for this collection. So out of the big collection, we get some of the bigger cut-aparts, I love this Christmas tree. I love these brads. And then we get this beautiful, My Simple Stories Holly Berry stencil. Isn't that cute? And then we get some, oh, here's another little banner that says Merry Christmas. And then we get some papers. We get this printable here. And then we get the red paper. And this one is called Crimson. And this is beautiful. This is a smoky gray, I want to say. I can't read it. Black something. But it's not just like, this is the black side right here, but this is the sparkly side right here. That's beautiful. Just can't wait to use that. And then, of course, with every kit, you get this wonderful bag to store all the stuff in. And this is how I store my kits if I have bits and pieces left over. Because you will see me use bits and pieces with other projects, and I just keep them all stored in this bag. Now, what I plan to do with this is take it probably to a print shop, because I don't have a printer yet, and run it off on some cardstock, probably some, I don't know, off-white or muted cardstock. I was looking to see if I had some on my desk. Probably something like this color right here. So, these are really beautiful cut aparts. So that is my November kit from Scrapbooking with Me. Of course, you will find the link to Scrapbooking with Me down below in the description box. If you haven't tried the club kits out yet, I don't know if she has any extra left over for November, but you can go over there and check and see. But I love the kits, I love working with them, and I love being on Edith's design team. And the kits are always very generous, and I just have so many ideas now, I don't even know what to do. You know, when you start looking at it and the ideas swarm in your head, well, that's what's going on with me. They're swarming in my head right now. And yes, I am into a lot of journal making and stuff like that right now. But I'm not sure exactly which direction I'm going with this kit yet. But look for videos next week. They will be coming out. Because we are getting closer to Christmas, my friends. Whether we want to or not, it is coming. So make sure you head over and check out scrapbookingwithme.com. The link will be below in the description box. Head on over there and tell Miss E I sent you over there. And don't forget to check out her Scrapbooking with Me YouTube channel and Facebook group. And if you become a Club Kit member, you also get access to a private Facebook group for the Club Kit, for a Club E-Kit Facebook group. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget that I will be going live tonight at 7:30. We will be working on my December daily, which I decided to create in that form, in the TM form. We're going to be making elements and stuff to go in there. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Alright, guys, have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.